Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to perform and interpret results of a hypothesis test using a calculator. A nutritionist hypothesizes that a new dietary supplement has altered the average body mass index of users from the national average of 25. The nutritionist uses public health data to assume that the population standard deviation of BMI is 3. The nutritionist records the BMI of 10 randomly selected users of the supplement. You can see the data here. Conduct a one-mean hypothesis test at the 10% significance level to evaluate if the average BMI of users has significantly changed from the national average. So the first thing we're going to do is establish our null and alternative hypotheses. The null hypothesis is always the status quo. We assume that things have not changed. And that would mean that the mean body mass index is 25. Our alternative hypothesis here, that the supplement has altered the average body mass index. And so that means that we are just assuming that it is no longer 25. So at this point, we use our calculator. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our stat menu, and we're going to enter our data into list 1. So we're going to type in our 10 data points. And as we go through, you can see that the list tells us which item we're on. So we're on item 3 and now 4. We're just typing in these data values. I'm going to type in my last one here, and I just want to confirm that it's the 10th one, and it is. So now we can quit out of here. Second mode quits you out. And we can go to our stat and then test menu. Now we have our original data, so we're going to stick with the data. We're going to put in our null hypothesis for the mean, 25. And we know our standard deviation as well is 3. L1 is where we just put our data. And we're going to stick with the not equal to. We calculate, and we get our p-value. So in this case, our p-value is 0.035, which is less than the alpha value of 0.10. 10% is 0.10. So that means that we can reject the null hypothesis. Another way to say this is we have sufficient evidence to claim that this dietary supplement has altered the BMI of users. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.